X is a non-zero integer. Is x to the power x less than or equal to 1? Statement number 1 says that x is positive. So x could be 1, it could be 2, it could be 3. If x is 1, then 1 to the power 1 is 1, and it answers yes to the question. If x is equal to 2, the answer to x to the power x is 4. It answers no. So we have at least two answers. Therefore, statement 1 is not sufficient. Now, statement 2 says that x is less than or equal to 1. I already know that with 1, the answer is yes. So I'm only going to try negative because x is non-zero. I cannot try 0. So what about negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4? If it's negative 1, negative 1 to the power negative 1 is also negative 1. And it answers yes. If it's negative 2, I have negative 2 to the power negative 2. That would be 1 over negative 2 squared, which is 1 over 4. And it's yes. What about negative 3? I'll have negative 3 to the power negative 3. That will be negative 1 over 27. Okay, because since 3 is odd, it doesn't change the sign of negative 3. It's still going to be negative. What happened with 2 was that since it's even, negative 2 squared is positive. Now, this is going to be negative, and the answer is yes to the question. Now, what happens with negative 4, negative 5, negative? It's the same that's going to happen with negative 2 and negative 3. In the case that it's even, it is going to be a fraction, a positive fraction, but it's still going to be less than 1. And what happens with the odd numbers is that they are going to be negative. Well, they're going to be negative fractions, but negative all the same. And all negative numbers are less than or equal to 1. So we have a unique answer with statement 2. Therefore, it's sufficient. Letter B.